Hi, welcome. I'm Lily from Bebe Lily Naturals, and today we're making rose and lavender infused lip balm and body butter. I'll be showing you exactly how to make these decadent and yummy products, so please stay tuned and take notes. I infused this oil for approximately 6 weeks inside my home with olive oil, sunflower oil, and sweet almond oil. You can instead double boil it for 30 minutes on medium heat and let it cool before straining it. Rose oil has been used to reduce stress, alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, and lavender is also known for its similar qualities. So both of these dried herbs are good at treating acne due to their antiseptic, astringent, and anti-inflammatory properties. You can also use this body butter to help diminish scars, combat dry and aging skin, and you can use the lip balm to soften your lips and keep them absolutely kissable. I'm using a vitamin E oil, which is made with tocopherol acetate, which is a pure vitamin E, along with safflower oil. I was able to find this at my local CVS pharmacy store. Since I'm showing you how to make two different products at the same time, I'll be switching back and forth between the lip balm and the body butter, so please don't get confused. And as you can see, I just set aside the infused oil, which I'll be using for both products. And I'm starting with the process for the body butter. So please watch carefully, take notes, and I'll be speaking here and there to add some extra information. So in advance, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my kitchen scale, and I was able to find this on Amazon, and it's super useful because you can measure in ounces, fluid ounces, grams, millimeters. So this is something I definitely recommend for you to get. For example, for this particular lip balm recipe, I had to measure my beeswax, which is coming up, in ounces. I'm using beetroot powder simply because it's vegan and it allows me to add a beautiful color to the products. Now, you can also use red mica or any other colorant that you know of, but I chose to use beetroot powder. So with this, you have to make sure to mix it very well so it's not grainy. And also, I highly recommend that you strain the oil, that you double strain the oil after you add the beetroot powder so you can avoid any graininess or any particles. I recommend that you pour your lip balm oil right away because due to the beeswax, it's going to solidify at room temperature within a couple of minutes, less than 5 minutes. So please add that right away so you can have it uniform before you place it in the fridge. And only leave it in the fridge for 10 minutes. If you leave it longer, it gets way too hard, it starts to crack, and we don't want that. So as you can see, we're back to our body butter mixture. I wanted that to cool down before I added my infused oil. This piping bag is going to make it so easy for you to transfer the body butter into its jar. It completely avoids making a big mess and wasting your product. Now, if you can't get access to piping bags, you can make your own using a Ziploc bag or a sandwich bag. Now just look at this. It's so pretty, it's so creamy, it stays fluffy. You're going to absolutely love it and it smells amazing. So guys, before you finish watching the video, make sure you leave me a comment below if you have any questions or concerns, or you simply want to give me a compliment. And also give the video a thumbs up, and most important, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, I do have a blog. It's bebelily.com/blog. I'll leave the link below. And I also sell my own products, so please check out my website as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.